Okay, let's do the calculation here. So suppose it's known that the decision maker plans to stop the operation of the machine within 6 months and months. Yeah. So the problem is to determine the optimum action, overhaul or not, for each month during the planning time. So we are asked, we have to answer what should we do in every month. For example, if the N is 3 months, what should we do in month 1? What should we do in month 2? And what should we do in month 3? So what is the overhaul policy? So we have to to option here, doing overhaul or not overhaul. What if we do overhaul all the way? Month 1 overhaul, month 2 overhaul, month 3 overhaul. Maybe it will be very cost, so the revenue will be low. It even -1 here. Yeah. Uh, and then there's a probability that we are doing overhaul and the condition will be not good. It's a probability that if we are doing overhaul in the first condition and then the machine will become 3, the probability is 0.1. And what if we didn't do any overhaul? It will be cost 2, -1. So it's very depends on the condition of the machine. It depends on the cost, and it depends on the probability of the future condition after we doing some decision. So it's a little bit complex decision, but we can so imagine the problem is like you are maybe you have to think, what should I do after I after you graduate, doing go go on career, seeking for job, or maybe continuing study. But there is a lot of condition. Yeah, your index, your study index, yeah, will be maybe above 3 or maybe below 3. So there is many condition. Then after you, maybe after this you try to continuing study, the probability that your index will be higher, it will be have some probability too. So that's some kind of the same condition is like that. So this is some illustration model for the formulation, yeah, uh, formal statement of the model. So we are using backward approach. Number of stage is 3 months, and the condition Sn. So please remember again about dynamic programming. The Sn is 1, 2, or 3. 1 mean good, 2 mean fair, and 3 mean broken. So the decision is only 2. 1 mean not overhaul, 2 is overhaul. And the cost expectation is Fn function. The function of cost is Fn based on Sn and Xn. So this is so F3 will be like here, and then we are trying to find the Fn star or the optimum. So we will doing a max. I mean this is not revenue, yeah. This is not cost but revenue. Okay, so we have a revenue expectation here. Okay, let's start for the first stage. We are backward, so we have month 1, month 2, and month 3. Stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. We start because we are doing a backward, and then we are start from stage 3. And then we determine the VIK, the revenue expectation resulting from single transition from state to I on alternative K. So for K equal to 1, not overhaul, we obtain V1 will be 5.3, V2 will be 3, and V3 will be -1. How we can get this number? You just multiply it. 0.2 multiplied by 7 plus 0.5 multiplied by 6 plus 0.3 multiplied by 3, and then we add here, so we can get the probability of revenue. So it means if our machine condition is 1, the expectation of revenue will be 5.3. Yeah. What if or machine condition if V2 or 2, yeah, or fair, so the expectation of revenue will be 3. How can we get this number? 0 multiplied by 0, 0.5 multiplied by 5, 0.5 multiplied by 1. 0 multiply 0, 0.5 and 5, 0.5 and 1. So it equal 3. So it means if our condition or machine condition is 2 in the stage 3, in the month 3, so the expected revenue will be 3. And if our machine condition is 3, the expected revenue will be -1. If not doing overhaul, we are using P1 and R1. So this is R1, right? Yeah. What if we doing an overhaul here? So let's back for a while. So for if not doing overhaul, we use P1 and R1. And if we are doing overhaul, we use P2 and R2. So go forward again. So if we are doing an overhaul, we use P2 and R2. This is R2, right? This is R2. And then let's multiply it. 0.2 multiplied by 6, 0.6 multiplied by 5, 0.1 multiplied by -1, 0.1 multiplied by 7, 0.6 multiplied by 4, 0.3 multiplied by 0. So we can get this number. Yeah. So if our condition is 1, or machine condition is 1, and then we are doing overhaul, the expected revenue will be 4.7. If our condition or machine condition is 2, and then we are doing decision 2, which is overhaul, the expected revenue will be 3.1. And if our machine condition is 3, and then we do the decision 2, which is overhaul, our revenue will be 0.4. Based on the probability of the next condition, based on the cost of the decision and the next condition. 6, 3 minus 2. 0.05 multiplied by 6, 0.4 multiplied by 3, 0.55 multiplied by -2. So this one multiplied by this one. And then so this is the overhaul, not overhaul decision. This number we located in here, and this number doing overhaul are in here. Okay. So we just move it here. 0.2 multiplied by 0.3, 0.5 multiplied by 0.6, 0.3 multiplied by 0.1, it will be here. So it's really the same number. We just put it here and here to here. Yeah. Okay. So we can see here that if our condition is 1, and then we do not overhaul, our revenue will be 5.3. But if we do overhaul, our revenue will be 4.7. But if our condition is 2 and doing overhaul, not overhaul revenue will be 3, and if not doing overhaul, the revenue will be 3.1. Okay. And then yeah, so just and then we can see here that if our condition is 1, the best action is K equal to 1, not overhaul, because 5.3 and 4.7, which one is higher? Of course, 5.3. 3 and 3.1, which one is higher? 3.1, and the decision is 2, so we can write here 2. -1 and 0.4, which one is higher? 0.4, and the decision is 2, so we write it here 2. So it means that in a stage 3, when our machine condition is 1, not overhaul, and your revenue will be 5.3. If your machine condition is 2, doing overhaul, and your your revenue will be 3.1. And if your machine condition is 3, not overhaul, and your revenue will be 0.4. Okay, so we can see here. So this is the condition. Okay, we can interpret it interpret here. It's like because maybe if our machine is good enough, because condition 1 you should not overhaul it yet, because it's already good. Even there is a probability that from 1 become 2 or 3. But if your machine condition is 2 and 3, fair or maybe bad, it will be very bad for your revenue in many way. So it is better to doing overhaul. So we have stage 3. So please remember again about dynamic programming. Refresh it again, and then after this we will continue to stage 2.